color I'm going to be using is Cream of Nature Exotic Shine Intensive Red 7.6. You guys see that. This is what the girl looks like. There's another box, an old version, where the lady looks different on the box. I don't know which version y'all might get, but it's got to be Intensive Red 7.6 if that's the color you want. The model might be different on the box. No telling. This one has an afro. Says fade resistant formula, rich vibrant color tone, nourishing microsphere technology. 4 times more shine. Yay. And guys, I've never used this box color before. But this is what the side looks like. It shows you basically. Let's see, you guys can see that what the hair color will be. I want to do this red. I hope it comes out that red. I don't want nothing too bright. In the previous video, I did the Microlinks bead, my Tanzy technique. If you don't know, you can go watch that video. But the hair, I used Mani Painted Vampire dye, Vampire Red dye, and it was way too bright for my complexion. In my opinion, I wore it well though. I think I pretty much pull off any color, I've been told. But as far as being comfortable and confident within it, it was enough. So I think I'll be confident with this color. So enough about that. Get intensive conditioning treatment. Put that down. You get your cream gel hair color developer. Okay. And you get cream gel color. That is red container. What else is in here? Okay. Ooh. So you get argan oil treatment. I love argan oil. Little thing right there. They're doing it up big over here. They're plenty of free goodies. Put that over there then. They give you some gloves. Comes in handy. Some instructions. Let's see. I'm pretty good at this, so I don't really. This will be an all over color or full color. So it says do a patch test. I would recommend doing a patch test, especially if you have longer hair and you want it to be a certain color. So yeah, do a patch test. Try a little section. You know, I got little hair, so I'm not gonna do that. But try a little section if you have longer hair and see if you like the color, put the product in, do everything that you're supposed to do. Follow the instructions and then rinse it out. It says right there, patch test or something like that. Yeah, color preview test. And then one preparation. Says color hair for first time, recolor after 4 more months, select a new shade of color. I'm gonna go with C maybe. It says mixed cream. Okay, so it says assemble color products, draped towel over shoulders, put on gloves, mix Cream of Nature permanent color, developer recap bottle containing color mixture, shake until color mixture is totally blended, point away from the face. Okay. I'm actually gonna mix it without using the gloves off the gate, because it makes it easier using the gloves trying to open everything. Take the thing off, the developer. So the little top has a little puncture button or whatever. I'm heavy-headed, guys. So don't mind if it looks like I'm killing this thing, because I am. And guys, if I sound stuffy, it's because I have hay fever. I slept in the cold for some reason. Summertime, but I guess the air was too high or whatever, too low or whatever. But I'm okay. So yeah, you just shake it up. There's a little thing on there that you have to cut off. Alright guys, so shake it up and take some scissors and cut that piece off that was on top. I usually start with my hairline. And guys, I don't know how this will look if you have a virgin color treatment. But since my hair is already blonde, it might be lighter. We shall see. And guys, let me know if y'all like videos with my natural hair. Oh yeah, I'm not natural, I'm Latch. Just let you know. But you know what I mean, without the weave. Just hope this comes out looking like something I want to wear. If not, I'm going back to bleaching. And yes, guys, I bleached my hair. I got a relaxer a while ago. Not a while ago, probably about a week ago. Yeah, I know, double process. So it's my hair. And yeah. I would have used semi-permanent. Think about semi-permanent, it starts to wear off, so that my hairline starts to look like it's blonde versus red. So I decided not to use the semi-automatic panic. Make sure you get that back. Get that make. It'll be good to have a mirror. It will good to have a mirror. You look into a mirror to do this. I can't use it all. I hope this turns out good. Oops. Make sure you get behind your ears. And it said to leave on for about 25 minutes. I think 30 for resistant gray hair. Since my hair is bleached, it should probably be for resistant gray hair. Not sure. We shall see. I hope this turns out nice. My hairs are orange. I don't know how this is gonna work. But I hope it works. I have my hair. I'm gonna go ahead and comb through it. Make sure it's being distributed. This is weird. Why is it orange? What time is it? Okay, I'm gonna set my timer on my phone for about, I'm gonna do like 40 minutes because this is looking orange. I'm scared, y'all. If it does come out orange, I'm throwing something on semi-permanent hair color on here. Shoot. Hopefully this turns out good, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna take this off. Bruh, I'm mad. This is not red. This is orange. Straight up orange. I'm not ready to be a ginger, y'all. I'm gonna have to go in with some freaking... Ooh, I hate this. I have to go in with some more Manic Panic or some Adore Dar. Something darker. Sucks ducky balls. I'm sorry. I'm sorry to me. I'm sorry to y'all. But If you have blonde hair, do not use this dye on the freaking permanent dye on it, because you will get this freaking color. I don't like it. I want it red, not no damn orange. Excuse my language. Nah, not excuse me. Shit, I'm mad. I let that stay on for a whole 30 minutes, maybe 40 minutes, and it's orange. Now I gotta correct it. I wanted red dye so I wouldn't have to worry about my hair bleeding. Creame of Nature, I got something to talk to you about. But anyway, I would say thanks for watching, but shit. I mean, thank you for watching, but I'm gonna have to fix this. I'll be back.